Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you my November setup of this gorgeous buffalo check sticker album from Simply Gilded, which I've turned into a B6 traveler notebook, and I have posted a video, a tutorial on how to do this. So if you have your large albums from Simply Gilded that you want to turn into a traveler notebook, you can do the same. But as I mentioned, I absolutely love a buffalo check. Last year, let me show you, I did this setup, which was for my holiday setup. This is a traveler notebook, a B6 wide from the thePlannerSociety, which I bought, which I received last year. And last year I used this ornament, which I think was from Target. It's a white door. I kind of changed the top from what I had last year because I busted the front, but so this was my holiday setup. So if you're looking for a pastel-y kind of inspiration, check that out. It's in my previous videos, but this year I wanted to do it for November. I'm gonna be doing more of a truly pastel setup for December. So let's take a look inside and how I kind of customize in my way, as I always do. So for the pocket here, now for the Halloween one, I had used some grommets here. This time I did not have any grommets or eyelets or things that kind of match the theme, and so I have used this little, I don't know if you still have them here, this cute, adorable little nail decals that Irene from Simply Gilded sold a while ago. They are super cute, and I just put them there. They're kind of sturdy. I tried to see if they would come off, but they stick on. So clearly if you rub something really hard, they'll come off. But I just love the little touch of the little bows here right on the scalloped edge. And then here to cover all the white, because this part is very bland otherwise, I've created my little layering of this paper. That is one of my favorite papers, and I'll show you the paper pads that I got it from. And then I layered it with some lace paper from the thePlannerSociety, with some of the scalloped washi, which I had in my stash. I've had it for a very long time. I've tried to figure out, and sadly I used basically the whole roll through this project, so I'm very sad. I love scalloped washi like this. I think I may have gotten it from Amazon, I'm not sure. Then I have a paper clip from Co. XOXO, and then a little washi card, which I made with the washi from Simply Gilded, plus the scalloped edge washi that I had. And this is recent washi. I just love it. It's got the little pumpkins or the bow, little 15 and 10 millimeter bows, and then some 5 millimeter and 7 millimeter of assorted washi. And then the little bow stickers that I always get at Hobby Lobby. I actually went back to Hobby Lobby this weekend because I got a few things to add to my setup, and I don't know if I saw them, so I hope they still have them because I absolutely love these bows. Now the setup, as I said, is gonna be buffalo check. I love buffalo check, and I use 2 paper pads, which are shared here, which are still available. So if you want to do the same setup, you can do so. So I bought this one from Hobby Lobby. It's Farmhouse, and I've used this sheet here as well as this sheet here. Now I haven't used the other ones. They're very pretty, but if you don't want to buy the whole paper pad, I know for sure that this paper comes in the individual sheets, so you can get that. And this one is also very cute. The other ones, not so much, but I got the paper pad. They're not my style. I mean, they're very pretty, but they're not something that I would use right this minute. So I got them when there was a discount on the paper, as always. And then this paper pad is from Michael, and it's from this year as well. And this is a paper that I've used, as well as this paper. And I've also used some of their little, they have a sheet that has, let me show you, kind of like journaling cards like this. So I've used some of their cards, this one, and that one. So this one, again, I got it when it was like $6 on sale. They always have these sales. Now, oopsie, there we go. So for the first insert or dashboard, I have used this year, this gorgeous a little door hanger, and I actually saw this while I was watching one of those YouTube channels that show you how you know, what's new in stores. I love watching those. I get mesmerized, and then I always have to go shop. But here it is. I have another one. So here how it came, and it's not in the, you know, large Christmas, you know, section where they have all the trees and all the ornaments. There is a separate aisle, at least in my store, where it was all buffalo check things, and so this is how it comes. And it's like $3.99. It was 50% off, so great price. I just removed the little tags. They're absolutely adorable. I want to actually keep them, but they didn't go with the gold, and so I just took the metal off and snipped the little tags off, and then I layered it on some glitter paper, also from Hobby Lobby, and then the buffalo check back paper that it's from one of those pads, and then this gorgeous metallic, but it's like a matte metallic gold paper, which is from Michaels. And here it is, if you guys are interested. It's a gorgeous color, and I think it's makes a big difference when you're trying to match metallic when it's a matte and when there's a shiny one. I just don't like it. If I am able to find the perfect match, I always go with the perfect match. But then I put here a little word here that says beautiful. It's from an old kit that I've had. It's like a super old, like at least 3 or 4 years old, of these little black stickers that are puffy stickers. And then for the glitter edgers, I did something different. So the top ones are from the PlannerSociety. Christy released them last year. I don't think I had a chance to use them yet, so I just love it. But having just the black and white, I thought was a little, you know, just like didn't have the enough oomph. And so I layered it with that little washi, like gold scallop washi that I had in my stock, my stash. So as you can see, I just doubled the gold, so back and forth, and so I just had to use one sheet of the glitter edgers on one end, which is perfect because otherwise I would not have had enough for 3 dashboards. So I really like the way it looks. And by the way, the paper here, you can feel it, it's a shiny paper. I've had this kit probably for 3-4 years. It came, I think I received it at some sort of planner convention. I never used it. I was about to just donate it, but I found this paper, which is kind of like a wood grain, gray wood grain, and it's shiny. It's like a laminated paper. And to customize it, I just added my own paper here in the back. I love this kind of small buffalo check. It's more of a checkered look, but I like the difference between, you know, kind of the large and the small check. Now the first insert is, as always, my favorite inserts from Annieplansprintables, and these are the 1 day per page. And let me show you. So this, I usually go in and I just kind of throw stickers there. I have gotten into the habit of planning my whole month at once, because if I don't do it, I don't know. I just, you know, I know it's easier for me. So I just put down like the basics for me. So I just put down, you know, one of the box stickers. And this particular kit is from Twolilbees. Then I have assorted stickers from Oncemorewithlove. How adorable are these? Then from Wontoninamillion. And then, oh God, this one is Spot sticker, something like that. I'll find it. I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting. Then these are from Twolilbees. So I have kind of like my usual layout. I know what I'll be doing, and these are the things that are always going to happen, what I'll be watching on TV, who I have to call, bills I have to pay. This is for weight checking because I'm trying to lose weight before the holidays so that I can get it back during the holidays. You know how it works. My coffee, my feeding my little critters, and then working. So I've used an assortment of stickers. Most of them are from Twolilbees, actually. I had some older kits left. They're not how gorgeous is this. This is from last year or the year prior. It was from Maria to Twolilbees. So I just kind of, I really wanted to have whole buffalo check stickers, but I didn't have them. And so I just, you know, went with what I had. But again, this setup is always the 1 day per page, dated, and with the hours, and then 3 columns, which is what works best for me. Now this is the back of the same dashboard, and on this side I put this the sticker pocket from the PlannerSociety. It's clear with the gold bows. I've added a little black bow from Hobby Lobby. Then I have a little washi sampler with the washi I've used. I have a little paper clip, another paper clip. I have more stickers from the Planner Society. Then this is a sampler from Irene from Simply Gilded, and more stickers from Simply Gilded. So this is just more for layering effect, just to cute, you know, to keep the page cute. I just like the way it looks. And the next section is my washi dashboard, which is always one of my favorite things to do. And all these washi, I would say, yes, they're all from Simply Gilded. The seal is also from Simply Gilded. This is from last year, it's not from this year. So they are so pretty. I love this black and white, and I loved adding this little scalloped washi. So it's just a gold on the top and white. I think it gives it a little bit of a break from all the checkered, you know, pattern, because I think it did become a little much. And then the second dashboard here, I have another one. This is a vellum paper, which is basically the vellum version of this same paper from that kit I told you that I have no idea where it came from, so I'm so sorry, but it's just like a gray wood grain. So if you have something similar, it will definitely work. Then I have this little words that are you know, wood chip words, and I think these came from Hobby Lobby last year. And then here, I just love this dashboard. Actually, this is very simple. This is the paper that came in the Michael's paper pad I showed you. This is also the little kind of like journaling card that you cut out. I trimmed the house. It had two little kind of wreaths coming out this way. I trimmed, and you can still see the little black there. Trimmed it down, layered it with the eyelets on, or brads on the buffalo check paper, more on the glitter paper, and then the gold. So I kind of wanted to give it more of a little help in a sense, because if you can look at it, it's a very simple design. So you just want to add a little more to kind of make it feel more important. So I added the eyelets, I added the bow, and then the same little kind of puffer little words, phrases that I have in my stash, and then the same for the you know, the glitter edgers. And I backed it because, again, the paper's from I backed it with this black and white paper, and now I'm like, oops, this came from a different set. Yeah, sorry guys, I forget which one, but any kind of dark paper will do. I just wanted to bring out the black from the front to kind of give it a little bit of a contrast. And this insert is my discount insert. It's also from Annieplansprintables. And I have a paper clip from, I think this is from the Planner Society. And then I did something a little different here. So this is one of those kind of journaling card. It came into, let me show you if I find that page. Bear with me for a second. So I can show you how I cut it out. Because it didn't come this way. I mean, it came, you know, it's not earth-shattering creativity wise, but this is here. Let me open it up. So this is from the Michael's pad. So you can see this is the house that I've just trimmed down just right on the edge so that it can keep the home sweet home. And then this is the thinking of you. So it was part of this larger square kind of card. So I trimmed out the thinking of you, and I laminated it. And just because you know, the paper, it can be, I was going to attach adhesive to it, so I didn't want it to be too flimsy. And so then I created a little wreath around it, and the wreath is from Hobby Lobby. This is not too bad. This is from the Studio His and Hers, so it's in their wedding kind of area, and it's a pretty long kind of garland, so you can turn it, and it's $2.99, so not bad, especially if you get it on sale. So I created this little garland. I put a little bow on top of it, and then this is a little bit of a splurge because this kind of reminded me of Pampas grass, and which is so popular for design and decorating. So this was $4.99 for two, so it's kind of a highway robbery because I mean, maybe it's hard to make this little, I mean, I can understand the craftsmanship, but for two of them, $4.99, I didn't have a discount, was a little bit of a, do I really need that? But it's really cute, so I'm sure I'll find some other use for the other one. But I just wanted to kind of replicate the look of, you know, decorating your own home, and to attach the little garland to the what is it called, to the little circle. I have used this adhesive that I buy. It's a double-sided adhesive tape that I buy on Amazon. It's super strong. I've linked it before, but I'll link it below. Then I have the back of the vellum, the word love again in wood chip, the back of the dashboard, and here is another one of those paper from the same kit, which again, it was so old, you guys, it wouldn't be available, but I think you can find similar paper, the same wood chip words. And then here is the paper that came from the Hobby Lobby paper pad, which you can buy individual sheets, so you don't have to buy the paper pad. And this is a card from Irene from Simply Gilded from this season. I trimmed it down a bit. I've added the Best Day a little thick sticker. I have layered it on glitter paper, then on the matte gold paper, added some little brads, little bow, same way. I just love it. I just wanted the card to pop, because when you have buffalo check and buffalo check, it can kind of, you know, it gets lost. Also, these are different colors. You can see the background paper, the buffalo check, it looks more like textile. So if you can see it, it has literally the texture of what like a cotton kind of like fabric would look like. Whereas this is a very, you know, dense kind of print. There are no spots. So I just wanted to distance the two buffalo check prints so that they wouldn't contrast as much. And I love it. I just think it's super cute. And inside here, I layered it with that other paper, still from the Hobby Lobby kit. That is just like it reminds me of a farmhouse, kind of like vintage flooring. In kind of this, I can't remember what's the word, not diamond shape, but you know, with the planks layered like this at the diagonal. And then this is an older insert from Irene. You can find these, I think, still in the subscription extras section. And then in the back, I have this old, very old little sticky note that I love to pass around from setup to setup. It's from the thePlannerSociety. Then we have the vellum back here. And here's the little other house, still from that, here we go, from the same, Michael's paper pad. So I laminated it, and then I've added the with you on a 3D kind of little sticker so it pops out. And I think it's so cute. The theme is more like, you know, being together as family, Thanksgiving. So most of you will spend it at home or with family, friends, or loved ones. And so I just like to have this kind of like home vibe, you know, like you're cuddling up at home and you're on your couch in a blanket, or just cozying up in front of a fireplace, whatever you do when you get home. And then here in the back, I have another little pouch from from Simply Gilded. And again, I've done this before. I pass this little pouch from setup to setup. They're not attached. It's just okay, here we go. So I just slipped the elastic right through it. This was rose gold, and so I just covered it with this little kind of chipboard glitter heart that I had, and it looks so cute on top of it. So here it is, and this was fairly quick setup actually. I've only started it on Friday, and most of the items again are available on the you know, at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So if you want to replicate it, I hope that this is helpful. If not, just send me a DM at Planningfancy. I reply to all replies. And if you like the content, I would love for you to subscribe and see what's coming up next. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week.